Alright everyone, now let's implement student detail fetching with dynamic routing. On the home page, when we click a student, we navigate using a dynamic URL like /students/id. Now, in this detail page, we need to get that ID and fetch the correct student data. So first, we get the parameter using params. We write const slug equals await params. This slug represents the student ID. Next, we send a request to our backend. We use fetch and build the URL dynamically, so it becomes localhost 3005/students/slug. Now, after getting the response, we must convert it JSON. So we use await res.json. This is very important. If you forget await here, you'll get a promise instead of actual data, and nothing will render correctly. Once we have the data, we store it in a variable, like student. Now we can render it. We display student name, student class, and GPA using student.name, student.studentClass, student.gpa. Now, when we open a student, we correctly see their details. If we click another student, the page updates based on the ID. So the flow is get dynamic param, send request with that ID, convert response to JSON, render student data. And that's how dynamic detail pages work in Next.js.